Morning, welcome back to part 3. And what we're going to make today is the frame and hopefully complete this table for my wife for the kitchen. Let's carry on, shall we? So the next stage is to make the frame. So I've taken the glue that was on the back of the here off to get rid of them. I'm just about to cut the back edge of this lip off and then cut these down into strips like this, about 3 inches. Okay, so this is one of the ends, and these are the going to be to make the 2 sides. So I've already cut the 2 ends. I'm just going to cut the 2 sides, and let's carry on, shall we? So, just to show you how I'm finishing this, there's 2 of the legs attached to one end, and I've done it with 2 pocket screws this end. I only did one that end because I did try the dowel until I found out I didn't have enough dowels to do the whole job. So just pocket screws. I've checked, actually the pocket screws are holding really well, so I'm happy with that. So there we go, there's the first end. I'm just going to make the other end with that, sand that down, cut it to size, do the pocket screws, get rid of all this glue, and I'm also going to put a pocket screw up through here and here so we can attach it to the table top. So mark them off where the pocket holes are going, put the jig on, pocket hole drill bit, one, like so. Just give that sand down after. Line it up for the next one, and I'll do it on all the framing. So here we go. We're going to screw the two legs to the end piece. I've done the pocket holes. I've got these spacers underneath just to lift this up off of the floor and hold it in the right place for me to screw it into place, and then I'm pushing it against here so it all aligns perfectly. So I'm just going to put a couple of screws in. So I'm going to start them off with the drill and then doing up by hand. So nice and tight. Just like so. I don't want to do them up completely with the drill, only because I don't want to slip the screw head like that. Right. Then get my trusty hand screwdriver. And start tightening them up. Just like so. Perfect. Let's do this one. We have to do this like this. And I could do tighten up a little bit more. Like so. I could do a tighten up, but anyway. There we go. That's the end. So I now have the two ends, and I just need to put the two screw the two sides on, and then put a couple of more pocket holes. I haven't put them on yet, only because I roughly want to work them out. Let's get this nice and central. 95, 95, 95, 95, excellent. And then on the ends, cool, that's it. That's squared up, excellent. So just the last few screws going in. Just start them off with the drill and then finish them by hand. That's it. well deserved, I think. Now that's the table finished. I'm quite happy with the outcome of that, and considering it is just wood from a skip, I think it turned out quite nice. What do you reckon? Please leave a comment below, tell me what your thoughts are, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.